Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with another Crypto and Tectonic update. So, I hope everybody is doing well, having a great day and having a great week wherever you are in this world. But before I start, down below in the description, if you want to sign up to crypto.com or you want to sign up to the Tap Global app, there is links down below and referral codes too. But also, if you could give us a like, give us a subscribe, as always, it is much appreciated. So, without further ado, let's get in to what the crypto market is doing at the moment. So, yesterday was an extremely interesting day. What a pump Bitcoin had. It was absolutely just came out of the blue and just happened, and yeah, couldn't believe it really. But we are where we are now, and it's all looking good. Sentiment throughout the board is looking a lot rosier and happier at the moment, especially when you get these green candles, because obviously when you get the red, people are not so happy, but people are happy at the moment. I like it. But anyway, as you can see, year to date, here is Bitcoin at 47.5% up year to date. And also we've got Ethereum 39.95% from year to date. BNB 30%, and we've got XRP at 17%, Cardano 61%, 80% Polymatic, and then we could go down, and then we've got the Kronos, the crypto.com, up 41.85%, Lido 152. It's absolutely crazy, and a lot of people at the moment, if they're doing short-term trades, are obviously making a lot of money. If you're hitting the right coins and that. So, but yeah, it's looking really good. And we're looking at over here at the market cap, well over $1 trillion. 77 billion in volume. Dominant Bitcoin says here 42.7 should I say, and Ethereum at 18.6. So yeah, it's looking really well. So let's have a quick check on Bitcoin, see how that's doing. So this is Bitcoin on the monthly. So I put this on the monthly because it's a good indication. You can see here, like back in 2015, we sort of bottomed out, and then that was like, it took about 427 days of a bear market really for us to bottom out on there. And then look at that, we took a massive bull run up here. And then we came down into another bear market, which was around about the 2018-2019. That was the bear market of around about 335 days bear market. And then we bottomed out at around about, it was roughly around about $4,000. And then we climbed straight back into the previous bull market. And then obviously we came back down, and we've done so far roughly approximately about 395 days in the current bear market. And have we bottomed out? That is the question. It's feeling like we probably have, because look at this. Bottomed out here, 2015, 2018, bottomed out here. Look at this, same kind of thing, bottomed out here, and look at that curvature starting to move back up like it has done previously. And also the Lusk's algo oscillator is also oversold, and it's starting to curve up. So yeah, it's looking really healthy. And Bitcoin at the moment, as of today, we're up about 1% at the moment. So if I just go back onto the weekly chart, and then we can have a quick look at what the 200 moving average is doing. Because at the moment on the 200 move average, yeah, we're sorting, as you can close in here and the blue line here, we're sort of testing it at the moment. So yeah. So we're slightly oversold, overbought, should I say, on the stock RSI, but also looks algo, we're not. So yeah. So at the moment, we're starting to come up to that 200-week moving average. So this is going to be a test. Can we break through this? And here is around about the $25,500. If we can break through that, there is nothing really stopping us from getting up to $28,000 to $30,000. So if we look on the 4-hourly on here, we can actually see we've created, if I hide the 200-day moving average, but you can see here we're starting to create a bit of a bull flag. So yeah, so if this plays out, yeah, we could be on the way up. Obviously, it depends what the Dixie does today. But yeah, Bitcoin's looking pretty healthy and pretty bullish. It's about time, because this bear market that we've been, it's been absolutely horrendous. But yeah, it's looking absolutely great. So I'm expecting potentially with this bull flag that we could break out. It's like I said, we're sort of on the overbought on the stock RSI, but you know, this could just keep going. It's like I said, if it oversold, you know, it could keep going down. And it's the same thing if it gets overbought. It doesn't mean that's it. You've got to come down. It could push up further. You know, so you just got to bear that one in mind. But yeah, it's looking really good at the moment. So let's have a quick check and see what Tectonic is doing at the moment. So right now on Tectonic, it is looking fairly bullish, and I've just had a quick look at the, you know, the community on here, and look, bullish. It's bullish. Everybody, it looks fairly happy. So we've got the volume down at the moment by 11%, but we have had such a big push. Fully diluted is 6.4%, and again, yeah, we're up 6.4%. So it's like I said, the community is bullish. So I always look at, you know, what is sentiment throughout a community, and at the moment it's looking fairly bullish because we've had a little bit of a move. Like I said, the other day I worked out we've done a sort of a cup and handle here, and then we've broken out of the handle and straight up. So that is roughly, we've done roughly about 17% up, push up. That, if you're doing a short-term trade on that, that is not bad. Not bad at all. So, you know, so we've got, like I said, we've got another, from this point onwards, we've got another 5% to go till we come to this resistance area. It's like Bitcoin at the moment, it's coming up to that 25% resistance. But if we can break that, then we've got another 8% uptick around about this level here till we come to the next big resistance area. So we've created, look at this, on this here, where this green line going on here, we've just created this perfect bit of support here. So this is now our support. So if we can break this and create a new support along this area here, the top line of this purple box, you know, it's all looking dandy. But all we need to do is break through this. Bitcoin pushes up today or tomorrow. Then if Tectonic does the same and we can push through that, our next resistance is around about this mark here, and you can see where the price is there. So, you know, we, like I said, stock RSI, we are overbought. But as I've said on the previous section regarding Bitcoin, just because it looks a bit overbought, it doesn't mean it can't push further up, you know, or we could just go sideways for a little bit and then come down and then push straight through that, get a bit more of a spring through it. But you know, it's looking pretty bullish at the moment. But yeah, you know, I keep saying you have these big gains up of 190%, expects pullbacks, and we have had that beautiful pullback to retest and push straight back up. So hopefully we smash through this resistance and smash through the next resistance as well. So it's looking pretty healthy on the charts in terms of Tectonic. Yeah, so looking at the Twitter at the moment, I've done some research just to see if there's any more information out there from all the tweets that they've done from back on January the 10th up to the present time, or like now. Yeah, there's nothing really been too much regarding what's been building at the moment, so we haven't had any further updates, but I'm pretty sure, you know, things take time, and you know, when you're building a lot of on these projects, it just takes time, and maybe they just don't want to release anything. They want to get it all put together correctly before they release more information. But I sort of said this before, I just wished that Tectonic was just a little bit more a bit more transparent in who they are, more to who they are and what they're doing. And it would be great for the community to actually to be a bit more proactive on Twitter. And I know it's like being, yeah, it's just like being a record repeating itself all the time. But yeah, it's just, I think the community just wants a bit more engagement from Tectonic. You know, the people who are running the project there, you know, because that means a lot. You know, when you get like Chris from crypto.com and you get from other projects where, like the Cardano, Charles Hoskins, and people like that, they're really engaging with the community. And I think when you engage with the community, it gives that community that extra bit of confidence. And also, it's just sometimes really good to have the CEO come out, and they don't have to give their full names or anything like that. Just get on Twitter as Tectonic.crow, and just, as a CEO, just get on there and just chat, or one of their community members or one of their project leaders or something like that. It would be absolutely fantastic if they could do that, because it would just give us, like I said, it just gives the community just that extra bit of confidence. And I'm intrigued, and I suppose most of you guys are, and girls too, but it is what it is. And no doubt maybe something will happen at some point, because like I said, they've got this new ambassador here, so hopefully that will come to fruition of some more information. But obviously they have got their Discord group as well. So overall, Tectonic is looking fairly healthy. The whole market is looking healthy. The whole market is looking bullish. And it's like I said, if we could keep pushing up, and get back into that bull market, I think we're all going to be, and we can all agree on this, we're all going to be extremely happy people. And like I said, I've been DCAing in Tectonic, so if it was the bottom, I've sort of DCA'd in from that point. So yeah, it's all good. Holding long term, exciting times ahead for Tectonic. So if you like this kind of content, as always, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and all your support is always greatly appreciated. So without further ado, I shall see you in the next video.